Hello, I am Priyanka Dharia. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss the basic concepts of Python. Let's get started. First, we will discuss comments in Python. Comments in Python are lines of text in the code that are not executed by the interpreter. They are used to explain code logic, make the code more readable, and assist other developers or your future self in understanding the purpose of the code. There are two types of comments: single line comments and multi line comments. The single line comment use hashtag at the beginning of the line, and multi line comment use triple quotes in the line. Technically, these are string literals and are not executed if not assigned to a variable. For example, hash. This is single line comment. Comments and click on run button. Here it successfully executed. There is no output. We can also write multi-line comment using triple quote. Introduction to data science. Comments are hints that we add to our code. It easier to understand why we are starting programming chapter with comments that would not be run because comments are vital parts of any programming project. Now, executing command in Python. Executing commands in Python involves running the written code to perform the desired action. For example, A equals to 4, B equals to 5, 6, sum equals to A plus B, print sum. Click on run button to execute the commands. Here, the output is 10. Now, importing packages in Python. Packages are collections of modules containing functions, classes, and variables. They extend Python's capability. Now, how to import packages in Python? We import the packages using import keyword. For example, we import pandas and numpy packages. Import pandas as td and import numpy as np and click on run button. Yes, it executed successfully. Here, the as keyword renames the packages using a name that we can specify. We rename packages to make working with them easier. Renaming packages will save us a lot of typing in the long run. To use the commands contained in the pandas and numpy packages, we will need to state the package name before the command name. For example, we use read CSV command from pandas. To use that command, we would need to type pandas dot read CSV. Here we can use PD because we create alias PD dot read CSV. Here we given the path of data. For example, copy path and paste here and click on run button. Invalid syntax. Okay. Copy path plus V. Again, click on run button. Yeah, it is successfully executed. We can also import specific pieces from a package without importing the entire package. For example, from from sklearn dot tree import import decision tree classifier. Click on run button. Yeah, it executed successfully. If we want to import two commands, we add a comma and continue with the second command. Name, for example, decision tree classifier, comma, export. Click on run button. Yeah, it executed successfully. Now we will discuss how to get a data set into Python. We will use read CSV command to load the data. First, we need to import the pandas package. PIMP does SPD. Then we write the command data equals to pd dot read csv and path of the data. We use sample data provided by Google Colab. Click on sample data folder. Click on California House Test CSV. Click on three dots next to it and select copy path. Paste the copied path into the read CSV function. Click on run button. Yes, it is successfully executed. We print the data also. Again, click on run button. Here, we can print the data. We use syntax, your name for the data set, yeah, any variable you can choose equals to pd.readcsv and the parameter is the path of the file. Now, saving output in Python. You can save the output of commands to variables for reuse in future computations. Certain commands generate output that can be used in other lines of code. To use the output in later code, you need to save the output as a named object. For example, here the basic syntax is variable variable name equals to command command output. We will create a variable and assign it the command that generate the output. Then we will print it. These variable can be used whenever we need it. For example, we will create two variable a equals to 5, b equals to 6. Then we calculate their sum, a plus b, and save the result in the sum variable. The sum variable stores the output of the addition. And we can also print the sum variable also, sum, and click on run button. Yeah, it executed successfully. Thank you for watching me. Stay tuned for the future videos.